Tom Cruise is a famous American actor and producer. He was born in 1962 in New York. His real name is Thomas Cruise Mapother IV. When he was young, he lived in different places because his family moved a lot. He wanted to be a priest when he was a teenager, but later he decided to become an actor. In the early 1980s, Tom moved to Los Angeles to look for acting jobs. He got small roles in films, but in 1983 he became famous with the movie Risky Business. People liked his smile and his energy. In 1986, he became a superstar with the film Top Gun. The movie was about a young pilot in the U.S. Navy. It was a big success and made Tom one of the most popular actors in the world. After that, he played many different roles in films like Rain Man and Born on the 4th of July. He showed that he could do action and drama very well. In the 1990s, Tom Cruise worked with many famous directors. In 1992, he acted in A Few Good Men with Jack Nicholson. People remember the line, "You can't handle the truth." In 1994, he played a vampire in Interview with the Vampire. It was very different from his other roles. In 1996, Tom started his most famous film series, Mission Impossible. He played Ethan Hunt, a secret agent. The movie had exciting action and dangerous stunts. Tom did many of the stunts himself, which surprised fans. The film was a huge hit and had many sequels in the future. He also acted in Jerry Maguire in 1996, where he played a sports agent. The film had romance, comedy, and drama. It showed that Tom could play emotional roles, not just action heroes. In the early 2000s, Tom continued to work in big movies. He acted in Minority Report, 2002, a science fiction movie with director Steven Spielberg. The film was about the future and crime before it happens. In 2003, he played a soldier in The Last Samurai, a story set in Japan in the 19th century. Many people loved his performance. Tom kept making Mission Impossible films. Each one had more dangerous stunts. In one movie, he climbed the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, without using a stunt double. He trained for months to do it safely. Fans admired his courage and energy even as he got older. By this time, Tom Cruise was one of the highest-paid actors in the world. He was known for his hard work and discipline. Many actors said they learned from watching him on set. In the 2010s, Tom worked on action, science fiction, and even some comedy. He acted in Edge of Tomorrow, 2014, where he played a soldier in a war against aliens. The film mixed action with humor and had good reviews. He also played a pilot in American Made, 2017, based on a true story about a man who worked for both the CIA and drug cartels. Tom's biggest success in this time was keeping Mission Impossible fresh and exciting. He did stunts on helicopters, motorcycles, and planes. In one famous stunt, he held onto the side of a flying plane during takeoff. He really did it, with safety wires, but no stunt double. Even in his 50s, Tom was still in top shape. He trained every day and focused on his health. He said that making movies was his passion, and he wanted to give the audience the best experience possible. In 2022, Tom Cruise returned to one of his most famous roles. He played Captain Pete Maverick Mitchell again in Top Gun: Maverick. The film came more than 35 years after the first Top Gun. Many people were excited to see him in this role again. Tom worked hard to make the flying scenes real. The actors trained in real fighter jets with Navy pilots. Tom believed that real action would make the movie more exciting for the audience. The film was a huge success around the world. It earned over $1 billion in cinemas. Many critics said it was one of the best films of the year. After this, Tom continued working on new Mission Impossible movies. He filmed in many countries, often doing dangerous stunts. He showed that age was not a problem when you have passion, energy, and discipline. Tom Cruise is still one of the most famous actors in the world. He is also a producer and helps to plan his movies. He chooses scripts carefully and works with directors he respects. He likes stories that have strong characters and exciting action. Even after more than 40 years in Hollywood, Tom is still popular with many generations. Young people know him from Mission Impossible and Top Gun: Maverick. Older fans remember his early films from the 1980s and 1990s. Tom says he will keep making movies as long as he can. He trains every day, studies scripts, and learns new skills. He believes that hard work and love for cinema are the keys to his long career. Many people see him as an example of discipline, courage, and dedication. His story shows that talent is important, but effort and passion make the real difference. Tom Cruise is known for doing his own stunts. This is rare in Hollywood because most actors use stunt doubles for dangerous scenes. He has climbed tall buildings, jumped from airplanes, and held on to flying helicopters. Before each stunt, Tom trains for months. He studies safety steps and works with experts. He says this makes the scenes look real and exciting for the audience. Tom also learns new skills for his roles. For Top Gun: Maverick, he learned how to fly different types of planes. For Mission Impossible, he trained in motorcycle tricks and underwater breath control. In one film, he held his breath underwater for over 6 minutes while filming. He is very serious on set, but also friendly with the crew. Many people say he knows everyone's name and often thanks them for their work. Tom Cruise has been nominated for many awards. He has won Golden Globe Awards for films like Born on the 4th of July, Jerry Maguire, and Magnolia. He has also been nominated for the Academy Awards, Oscars, several times, but he has not won one yet. Even so, he is respected as one of the best actors of his time. Outside of films, Tom gives to charity. He supports children's hospitals, education programs, and disaster relief projects. He often visits sick children and talks with them about their dreams. He does not always tell the media about this, but many stories have come out over the years. Tom also believes in constant self-improvement. He says that every day is a chance to learn something new, whether it is about acting, life, or helping others. Tom Cruise's personal life has been in the public eye for many years. He has been married 3 times to actresses Mimi Rogers, Nicole Kidman, and Katie Holmes. He has 3 children, including his adopted kids with Nicole Kidman and his daughter Suri with Katie Holmes. He is also known for his interest in the Church of Scientology, a religion that has been both supported and criticized. Tom says it has helped him in life and in his career. Even with personal challenges, Tom stays focused on his work. He often says that movies are his life's passion. He spends months or even years preparing for each film, making sure every detail is perfect. His journey from a boy in New York to a Hollywood legend is a story of talent, discipline, and never giving up. Tom Cruise has had a big influence on the movie industry. He proved that action films can be made with real stunts, not only computer effects. Many younger actors now try to do their own action scenes because of him. Directors also trust him to make creative decisions on set. His Mission Impossible series has changed how action movies are made. Each film tries to be bigger, faster, and more exciting than the last. This has pushed other studios to improve their own films. Tom's work also shows that an actor can stay popular for decades if they keep learning and adapting. He is famous in almost every country. In Japan, he is known as one of the most polite Hollywood stars. In France, he has been honored for his work in cinema. His movies are shown worldwide and often make hundreds of millions of dollars. Tom Cruise is not only an actor, but also a skilled producer. This means he helps with planning, money, and important choices for a film. He started producing in the 1990s and now has his own production company. This allows him to choose the scripts, hire directors, and decide how the movie will be made. Producing gives him more control over his career. It also lets him take creative risks. For example, he insisted on filming real flying scenes for Top Gun: Maverick, even though it was more expensive and took more time. The risk worked, and the film became a huge success. Many people in Hollywood say Tom is one of the hardest-working producers. He arrives early, stays late, and checks every detail. He believes that movies should give the audience something unforgettable.